Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Hussein Ahmed Azan from grade 7B. I will explain my project of chemistry about particles. What is particles? A particle is a teeny bit of matter that make up everything in the universe. In particle physics, an elementary particle is a particle which can't be split up in small pieces. There are many different types of particles with different particle sizes and properties. You can see in the picture here the particles of gases, here solid and liquid. Particle in solids, liquid, and gases. Gases, liquids, and solids are all made up of atoms, molecules, and or ions, but the behavior of these particles different in the three phases. Gas are well separated with no regular arrangement. Liquid are close together with no regular arrangement. Solid are tightly packed, usually in a regular pattern. And here in the picture you can see that gases is separated and liquid like this, solid. First thing, solid. Solids squashed together, the particles are tight, something they are still, but that's not right. Even though you can see them shaking, believe it or not, they are vibrating. Particles in solids. The particles are in solid are held together strongly. The spaces between the particles are very small. It has fixed shape and fixed volume because the particles can move only a little. The particles vibrate back and forth but remain in their fixed position. And the particles you can see in the picture, particles vibrate and has a fixed shape and has fixed volume. Liquids. Particles mingling and intertwined. There's not much room in here to find. The forces of attraction are still quite strong, but particles are very free to move slowly along. Particles in liquids. The particles in a liquid usually are still touching, but there are some spaces between them. The gas particles have big distance between them. In a solid, the attractive forces keep the particles together tightly enough so that the particles do not move past each other. And you see that in the picture, particles slip and side over each other. Gas. Particles whizzing everywhere, moving randomly, they just don't care. Speeding left and speeding right with the space in between. They're amazing light. Particles in gases. In gas, particles are in a continual straight line motion. The kinetic energy of molecule is greater than the attractive force between them, so thus they are much farther apart and move freely of each other. In most cases, there are essentially no attractive forces between particles. And here in the picture below, you can see that particles move very quickly in all directions. As the particle bash against the wall of the container, they exert a force that causes a pressure. And thank you for watching. I hope you like my video.